Hello everyone. So welcome to another vlog and another episode. And if you're new to the channel, do subscribe. And today I bring you the unboxing of BenQ 24-inch monitor, which is quite useful if you are working all the time from your home or anytime at your office. It's an extra edge that gives you better and wider view. So let's get on to it without a further delay. We have this wires, HDMI cable. So these two are the basic things that we need. I had to pull this sideways because it was not coming up straight up. And then I pull this out. So looking inside, there's not much manual. This is, I'll just leave it as it is. This is the stand. This is the stand. And this is our monitor. This is the BenQ 24-inch monitor with adjustable stand. So this stand you can see behind is this. So this is pretty heavy, it's sturdy. So it's a good monitor. So the height can be adjusted, so this is why it has this long like stand support. This is the manual. I think it's BenQ. Now you are able to see this. So to connect, it's a relatively easy process than what I thought. So this is the support stand, and this is the back that you can connect with this easily. So what I'll do is just put it here. And this is connected, all done, set up. The next process is just to rotate this, clockwise, and you're all done, so it's really very easy process to set up. So if you want to do any vertical videos or work anything, so this is how you do it. So the buttons are here, everything is here. So this is, you can even rotate this way or any way. You can easily rotate this monitor, which is a very good feature. If you have very less space, then that's very useful for you. So just to make it in a horizontal setup or landscape, this is how you rotate it, and it's all done, it's all set up. So you just connect the wires and you are good to go. So the good feature is also that you can adjust the height of the monitor. Just push it down, pull it up. So it is good for your neck. It's very good for your posture, body, economics wise. I would recommend this monitor. It's good price, average price, and you get a good value for money. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel and see you next time.